Good morning and thank you for joining us for Friday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices were little changed as a stronger US dollar offset the impact of US President Donald Trump's latest tariffs in driving buying by investors seeking shelter from geopolitical risk. Wall Street indexes rose with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite marking closing record highs as investors shrugged off President Donald Trump's latest tariff moves, while investors were encouraged by an upbeat forecast from Delta Airlines. Bitcoin price hit new highs as a stablecoin liquidity metric pointed to fresh capital flowing into BTC. Retail investor inflows dropped while Binance's market share surged past 49%, highlighting institutional investors' role in driving the rally.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.